since this is like once a year kind of squeeze in my schedule kind of mowing, I've always charged this property $100 per mowing visit, and we're doing it for 4 visits. So the whole month they're gonna be on vacation. We're gonna be taking care of the yard. So yeah, see what kind of footage we get, see what we end up making it look like. Okay. So it's almost 11 o'clock. We're also going to see how long this $100 mowing session takes us. All right. 1 Skag, 61 inch, 1 push mower, Honda, and a weed eater, Steel 111 running around. So, yeah. All right, so 35 minutes. Place is double cut. All those big beds got edged, all the driveway area. Boys did a good job. So yeah, homeowner uses a, just a normal rider mower, and it's extra short. So I did go ahead and, mow it at 3.5. The first mow, then the second pass over is 3 3/4. So it's kind of hard when it's used to being cut with a tiny small mower on a short area, well, short height, to get it looking good. But yeah, man, Skag does a good job. All right, so I want to show you something real quick, because I know we all have this issue with our tensioner pulleys and the arms that they sit on, the bushings, the bearings, the pulley themselves going bad on you. And usually that happens after you replace the belt. Well, yeah, obviously, because that pulley had gotten used to the expansion of the older belt, and when you put on that new belt, it's got a whole lot of tension. So any pulley that's been on there for, what do I got, 1,000 hours on this thing now? Yeah, something like that. Over 1,000 hours on a mower, pretty much you might as well go ahead and buy one of those pieces and replace it, or at least have it on standby for when it happens. I'll show you what I did to fix this morning when you're in a bind and you don't want anything chaotic to go on, because I called the place, they had the bushing, it's already in stock. My soulmate went to go pick it up today, so I'll have that tonight. But let me show you this. So this is the bushing that went bad on the tensioner pulley idle arm. All right, so it needs to be replaced, but for right now, I just went ahead and jabbed a nice thick piece of cardboard up underneath that piece, and it straightened it out perfect for the first yard. So far, it's been nice and level, and when I looked at it this morning before I loaded it up, I heard it yesterday making noises, but the pulley itself was leaning forward because the bushings were bad. It's nice and level now. We'll see. Keep our fingers crossed. Should work for the rest of the day at least, until I can get those new bushings put in there. All right, let's do it.
Here about 1:30, get there by 2.
No. No.
Probably get home at like 5:30.
Yep.
What else we gotta do? That's gonna take that. We got extra stuff to do. Like what? At dawn. Like what? Exactly.
Gotta pull weeds out of the potters. Maybe plant flowers, man. It's got a reunion. That's right. I built out my invoices and sat and took a nap Monday.
Monday, guys. I was texting, I was like, yo, time tomorrow? No answer. I know, right, bro? And yet it's our fault we don't work full time.
That's right. All right, it's 2:10. Got these 3 accomplished, and they were 160, 260, plus the other 100, 360 so far, from 11 to 2. So we're gonna head out to our next stop, which is one estate for 300. You guys love that estate, so do I. So that's where we're headed. Come on. A little bit after 3 o'clock, we are obviously on location, ready to stripe this place up, get it ready for a weekend party. Let's do it. Okay, so here's the deal. It was Wednesday morning when I did the cardboard fix repair on this tension pulley, the idler tension pulley, on the deck of the Turf Tiger 2, like we've been talking about. And you know, before I closed out the video that I started Wednesday, I wanted to make sure that it was gonna last and it was worth showing you guys, okay? So, 3 days of hardcore mowing. Yes, sir. Still working. Still keeping that pulley straight enough to do the job. So the cardboard fix was worth it, okay? That bought me an extra 3 days and, you know, $2,800 more grass mowed before I had to stop and do the repairs that this thing needs. We went ahead and got the bearings. I'm gonna do those this weekend. We'll put a video out for that once I get to it. I got a lot of grass to cut, and hopefully, keep my fingers crossed, it'll last this very last property. 3 o'clock on Friday.